Let's dive into crafting a functional and stunning footer for your Squarespace website first. Navigate to your Squarespace website editor and locate the Website section on the left-hand menu. Click on Website, and then scroll down to find Website Footer Layout. This is where we'll begin our customization. Upon clicking Website Footer Layout, you'll see various predesigned sections you can choose from, or you can opt for a blank canvas to build from scratch for this tutorial. Let's select a layout that provides some basic structure to start with. You can experiment with these options later to find what best suits your style. Once you've chosen a layout, it's time to add content. Hover over the footer area and click on Edit Footer. You'll see options to add blocks. Just like you would on any other page, common additions include text blocks for your copyright information, contact details, or a brief summary of your business. To include navigation links, we'll add a navigation block. Click Add Block, then select Navigation. You can then link this to your main site navigation or create a custom footer menu. This is incredibly useful for directing visitors to important pages like your contact page or privacy policy. Don't forget your social media. Add a social links block and connect your accounts. This is an easy way to boost engagement and drive traffic to your social profiles. You can adjust the size and style of these icons to match your website's aesthetic. To truly polish your footer, we'll explore styling. Go back to the main website menu and look for Design. Then, Site Styles. Within Site Styles, you'll find options specifically for your footer here. You can change fonts, colors, spacing, and even the background color of your footer to perfectly complement your overall website design. Experiment with these settings until you achieve a look that's both professional and inviting, ensuring your website feels complete and cohesive from top to bottom. With these steps, you've successfully created a functional and aesthetically pleasing footer for your Squarespace site.